Next week, I won't be publishing a tutorial. Here in the US, I'll be celebrating Christmas, so I plan to take the week off. If you are also celebrating a holiday, happy holidays to you, and I will see you after the new year. I'm grateful for all those that have subscribed to the channel, and I'm especially grateful for those that have taken any of my courses. This channel is a chance for me to give back, just like I received help from so many when I was learning JavaScript. And also, I enjoy talking about JavaScript. But those that take my course make it much easier for me to keep doing this. If you are just getting started with JavaScript, I have a special offer. Up to this point, I haven't been able to offer any of my courses for less than $10. But I found a way to offer the Getting Started course, my first course, for $450 for a limited time. Hopefully that will make it available to more people. Perhaps in the future I'll get my other courses for less as well. If you'd like to take advantage of this offer, go to this link and then enter the discount code below, YouTube50. I'll include this link in the description as well if you'd like to go there to access it. And once again, enjoy the holidays, and I'll see you at the start of the year.